Yo, how are you all? Okay students, stand up and let's start with yoga. First we do meditation. Okay? So sit in Sukhasana position. Like this. Fold your leg properly. Body should be straight. Head should be straight. Hand should be in Gyan Mudra. Okay? Like this. Keep your hand on your lap. Close your eyes. 3 times say Om with me. Okay? Take deep breath. Okay students, stop. Rub your palm. Touch your eyes. Again rub your palm. Touch your eyes. Open your eyes. Slowly, slowly. Hope you felt relaxed after the meditation. Okay, stand up. Now we move to next asana. This asana called Tadasana. Okay? So you have to do in regular basis, in regular time. Okay? So first we do Tadasana. Ready? Let's start.
Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Inhale. Bring the arms up. Interlock the fingers on top of the head. Lift the heel and stretch your hand to the ceiling. Breathe. Tuck the navel in. Keep lifting your heels and extending your hand to the sky. Feel the air slowly flowing through your body, relaxing and energizing it. Exhale. Bring your heels down. Release the fingers.
This asana is completed. Now move to next asana. That asana is called Trikonasana. So we start.
Take medium stance. Inhale. Stretch your arms at shoulder level. Rotate your right foot out to a 90 degrees angle. Exhale. Place your right hand on your right shin bone. Reach the left arm towards the ceiling and gaze at your left thumb. Inhale. Bend the right knee and come back. Repeat other side. Exhale. Bend to the left, taking care not to bring the body forward. Navel pulled in, core engaged. Keep taking in long, deep breaths. Feel the stretch on the side of the trunk. Inhale. Bend the left knee and come back.
Now today class is over. So practice at home regularly. Thank you and have a good day.